Hey everyone, it's Cam Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with another VR, and this one is for my lovely dear friend Edwina Kinch. Hey Edwina, she is having a challenge on her channel, and she asked for a card. So this is one of the cards that I had made, and you probably saw it in another video, but I'm sending you this one, Edwina, and I did it in lots of shabby colors because Edwina loves shabby, but she also loves things that have a lot of color in them. So that's the card that I created for with you in mind, Edwina. And I'm also made you one of my altered bags. And I did this in a beautiful burgundy satin, silk, I guess it's like a silk satin. And it's super soft and really just a lovely material. And I added this beautiful lady here that picks up on the colors, and then I made a flower with bling, and I've added lots of pretty dangles and some little clay flowers here in the colors. And then on the side here I've added some vintage doilies and some of my hand-dyed loopy flowers for the closure. So I'm going to put some goodies in there for you, Edwina, and this will be on its way to you very shortly. So the link to Edwina's channel will be in the description box, so please go over and sub to my very talented friend and check out her challenge, because this was fun making cards this morning. I had a good time, so check it out, and I hope you guys will join in as well. So I will be back soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.